What is up, YouTubers? This is Too Slow. Today it's gonna be a little bit of a different type of video, not the usual car repair videos. If you don't follow me on Instagram, you're missing out majority of my stuff that I do behind YouTube. That doesn't mean I'm not gonna upload what I did on Instagram to YouTube. I will eventually, but it's just right now my time schedule for stuff is really crunched up. I don't have that much time right now. Luckily, today was my final for my statistics class, which I'm very happy for because I don't have to worry about that no more, and that's just a huge load off my back. And I just want to touch up on a topic like other topics like I've done on the channel, like automotive touch-up paint and like car part, like just letting people know of stuff that I use from buying car parts or fixing car parts. But this one involves eBay. I'm actually surprised many of my followers on Instagram do not know what eBay Bucks is. Whenever I bring it up, people are like, what's eBay Bucks? What is that? What are you talking about? I've been using eBay Bucks for about 2 years now. I feel like it's been 2 years since I first started eBay Bucks. But basically what eBay Bucks is, you get refunded. Well, not refunded, but like you get money at the end of every third month, or the beginning of the fourth month, like second or third day of the fourth month. And it's basically you have to be buying stuff on eBay, and you will see at the bottom of like the listing or where it says shipping, it will usually say eBay Bucks. Like here, let's go right here. Let's go to my eBay. Let's click on something that I'm looking at. I'm looking at okay. I'm looking at these Tokiko shocks. These Tokiko shocks, they cost $148 with free shipping. If I have eBay Bucks, they usually give me $1 with 48 cents. That's what usually I would get from spending $148 on eBay. But here's the way to take advantage of that. Usually eBay once in a while will give out eBay Bucks bonuses. I've seen from 6%, 8%, 10%, 12%, and like the most rarest one I think I've seen was 15%, and that was just once. I don't think I've ever seen that again. But I've been getting majority 8 and 10% eBay Buck bonuses. Here's another thing. Usually eBay always do this. They encourage you to use the app on the phone. They will usually be like, oh, buy this and you get eBay Bucks through the website on your computer, 8% bonus. But if you buy the item through your phone, you get a 10% bonus instead, which is better. Way better. So, see right here, it says I'm only gonna get $11 with 84 cents eBay Bucks. But if I go to my eBay right now, go into my eBay. Let's go to my eBay. Watching. I will go to the same item, the Tokiko Blue Struts, shocks, whatever you want to call them. And there you go, 10% bonus. As you can see, let's see where it's at. Right, oh, crap. Oh, come on. Okay, right there. You see that? You will earn $14 with 80 cents instead of the $11.84 that you will get on the computer. So it is probably best that you buy stuff on eBay with your phone, because it's always been like that. I've never had a time when on my desktop it shows 10% bonus. So I hardly use the eBay on my desktop. I always use it on my phone. But eBay doesn't always give you the bonuses. They don't always say, oh, here you go, 10%, 10%, 10%, 10%. There was one time, I think it was this 3 months. I believe it was, if I'm not mistaken, I believe it was last month. It was April. All of April, I had no eBay bucks. None. I had no eBay bucks, and I don't usually spend. I don't usually buy stuff on eBay if I don't have eBay bucks, because there's times when eBay also sets limits like, oh, we'll give you the bonus, but only if you spend $25, only if you spend $50, only if you spend $100. There's times when they say eBay bucks to whatever limit you buy. So I tend to not buy when I don't have the bonus. If that makes sense. Not trying to make this too confusing. So, like the month of April, I bought nothing. But if I go right here to my recently purchased, you can see right here my Exedi clutch. I paid $291 for it. And I got in return $23 with 35 cents eBay bucks. That was, I believe, an 8% one. I only got 8% eBay bucks for that one through the phone, so only got $23.35. And I also needed the accessory belt tensioner, so I paid $84 for that, and I got $6.80 back from eBay bucks. Those two were 8%. I believe it was Tuesday or Monday. I think it was Monday. I got eBay bucks 10%. So my Fidanza flywheel, I paid $389 with 11 cents for it, and in return I got $38 with 91 cents. And it all adds up. It all adds up. Right now I'm at $74 with 27 cents eBay bucks. So at the end of next month, or I guess, is it the end of next month? Yeah. At the end of next month, I will get eBay bucks. So on July 2 or 3, I will get my $74 with 27 cents. But I could keep adding to that because I still got all of May and all of June to earn. And I think the highest at one point I got was $200 eBay bucks, and with that I managed to pick up the Polyvents bumper repair kit, and it's been a really helpful item. I use it a lot for my bumper repairs, my plastic welding needs. I actually fixed a Greddy lip with that repair kit, and I'm actually pretty happy with myself and proud that I was able to fix it. And as I was saying, you don't always get eBay bucks. For the longest time, you can probably just be at 1% for the longest time. So what I do in that downtime with 1% is eBay just wants to see that you're spending money so that they could give you the bonus. So in those months, days that I don't have the bonus, I usually buy items $20 and under. Like if I go through my list right here, 3/8 Craftsman 6-point socket. I paid $4.75 for it. I got 5-cent eBay bucks for it. It's just a 1% bonus. They don't usually give you much from that. And if I keep looking, let's see, my engine oil pan for the 2ZZ or 1ZZ, whatever you want to say, I paid $29.38 for it, and I only got 29 cents eBay bucks back from it. I try not to buy expensive items just so that eBay can see, oh, he's buying stuff. Let's give him the eBay bucks. So when they give me the eBay bucks, I just go all ham at it. I just go crazy. I try to collect as much as I can, and that's the proper way of taking advantage of eBay bucks. When you don't have it, try not to spend over $25-$30. Do little purchases. Do like 5 or 10 little purchases. Then eBay will give you the 10%, 8% bonus. Buy all your expensive stuff. Look at me. I bought little things, got the eBay bonus, and I bought my clutch and my flywheel. Got a really good amount back from it, $23, $38. I'm at $74 right now, just from those two things. So it's money that eBay will give you back. They'll give it to you as a gift certificate, and basically you can use it. It's basically a gift card. You can use it for whatever you want to buy on eBay, and it's just a smarter way of shopping. It's smarter. I don't know why eBay decided to do this. Maybe this helps eBay's revenue from seller fees and all that stuff, because there's more transactions going on the website. So I guess in a way that's kind of how eBay makes their money. So they're like kind of giving us some back to it. I don't know. The system is there. I use it. So just take advantage of it. Seriously. Same thing when I bought my what was it, the coilovers for the Celica TN, whatever you want to call them. I still don't know how to pronounce that. They were $500 coilovers. I bought it with the 10% eBay bucks. I got $50 back. Technically, those coilovers cost me only $450. That's the proper way of taking advantage of eBay bucks. Use it good. Use it wisely. Use it at your advantage. It's really helpful, and don't want to make this video too long. I tend to go past my time. I'm at 12:35. Looks like that. But yeah, I want to apologize for the last raffle. I didn't do it. I was extremely busy with school, work, and just my life right now. I don't want to get too revealing with my problems out here at home, but I just going through a rough time right now. But luckily everything's starting to, I guess you could say I'm seeing the end of the light at the end of the tunnel. So everything's going a lot better now. Glad for that. Hopefully this brings out more content to the channel. If I encourage you guys, try to get an Instagram if you don't, because I know a couple of you are like saying, oh, we don't have Instagram and we can't keep up to date with your stuff. So I encourage you, just get an Instagram. I upload a lot on Instagram. But I for sure will upload more videos within this month. I got the how to take apart a C60, not take apart, but how to take it out of the Corolla XRS, and I'm just recording here and there, saving the footage so that when I get time I'll edit it, because I don't like just slapping together videos. I like to cut and edit. I don't like, let's say, like a whole 30 seconds of just me, my hand in the screen, and you don't even see nothing. I don't like doing that. I don't like merging clips together. I like cutting, editing, moving stuff around. So that takes time. It's not just, just throw them all together like some YouTubers. Not gonna say who, but he's back. But I ain't gonna say shit. Not gonna say shit. Holy crap. But yeah, if you guys made it to the end of this video, thank you guys for watching.